Hey guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to use your $50 hotel credit with your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So the way to do that is you need to go to the Chase travel portal. And how do you do that? There are two ways. Number one, it's either you go to chase.com and log into your account. So this is chase.com right here. Or go to Google and just type in Chase travel portal and it'll take you to their website. So there you go, so you can log in. So let's do this. So I'm going to log into my account. Just wait for a few seconds for it to load. And on this one, I'm gonna go to my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So look for your Chase Sapphire Preferred card and go on your points, and you see this redeem button, so make sure to click that. Then it'll take you to this window, and what you need to do is go to travel, click this, and click book travel. So hover and book travel, click that. So the next step is you need to figure out where your destination is. So for us, we are going to Vietnam this month, and the hotels in Vietnam are pretty cheap. So I would say less than 100 or sometimes at $50. So we'll find that out. So to book the hotel and use your $50 hotel credit, click hotels. So when you go to this page, you need to type in your destination. So for us, we're trying to look for a hotel in Hanoi in Vietnam. So my goal here is look for a hotel and book it for for $50. So that's my goal. So for example, this one, the High Bay Hotel, it's only $49. So I'll probably I can do this. So total night with taxes and fees is $55. And if you scroll down, I don't know if there are some other options. So this one, Hanoi Garden Hotel and Spa, you can probably do that. The Golden Art Hotel. So just keep scrolling down until you guys find an option. And for this, I might need to do a little bit of research and see where they are located. But let me just try the Hanoi Garden Hotel and Spa. So just checking the photos now and see if it looks good for you. So not sure if they include free breakfast here. So here, if you click on room details, it'll tell you all of the perks if you book this hotel. So they have internet, they have let's see, what about breakfast? Okay. Hotel amenities. It doesn't look like it has breakfast, but so if you want free breakfast, you can also check the other hotels. But so going back, let's say you wanna, what about this one? Let's try this, the High Bay Hotel. Okay, so they have a breakfast option here for $49. So let's just let's try this. Actually, hold on, let me just change it up. I want to check in 27 and check out 28 because I don't want to spend Christmas here. We'll probably book a better hotel in Hanoi. But yeah, so there goes, Spirit double room. So we'll probably use points to stay at a nicer hotel in Hanoi. So anyhow, let's do this. So all in all, it will be $55.93 for the total. So what you need to do is make sure you're not using points on this one. You need to use your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So click this, keep my points, and pay $55.93. So make sure to do that, okay? Then add to your trip. We're gonna skip that. Enter traveler information. So I will put in my name, my phone number, payment and review. Okay, so on this one, once you go to this payment section, if you've used your Chase Sapphire Preferred card before, it'll be, it'll show up in here. But if not, you can you can put it, you can click new card and put in your information. But since I already used it in the past, it's already saved. So right now I'm going to put in the security code on my card. Then once that is done, make sure you put in your billing address. And this is our old address, and we already moved. So anyhow, once that is done, you can click on this, the travel disclosures and the agreement, and complete checkout. So I'm not gonna hit this yet because I may need to do a little bit of research and look for some other option. All right guys, so that is the whole tutorial on how to use your $50 hotel credit with your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So thanks again for watching, and watch out for my other how-to videos. Thank you so much guys, and have a good one.